first, let me start off with some housekeeping. There are so many books related to cryptocurrency trading. So if you know of one, please pause this video and comment below the book's name. I am very interested in learning what you all have read on this topic. The last part of housekeeping is to let you all know that I have left links below to each of the books discussed in the video and a few other honorable mentions, so please check those out after the video. Or I guess now if you want, but that would ruin the surprise within this video. The cryptocurrency world is totally amazing. I started my crypto journey in 2017, and I wish I had started just a year or two earlier. The gains I could have had. Not that I am not very happy with my gains. I learned best by watching videos, but so many of my friends say they learn better by reading. So this list of books is for you guys and gals. But watching videos and then reading books on the topic can't hurt. Drumroll please. The first book is on this list is because it tackles cryptocurrency trading for complete beginners to the crypto space. Learning how to move crypto from one wallet to another can be scary. Or many have no clue where even to go trade crypto. I mean, there are so many cryptocurrency trading sites out there, so the confusion makes total sense to me. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies. While the cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and this volatility is often linked to the ever-changing regulatory environment of the industry, the entire cryptocurrency market is expected to keep growing. This book shows you how if you want to get in on the action. Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies offers trusted guidance on making money trading and investing in the top 200 digital currencies, no matter the market sentiment. You'll find out how to navigate the new digital finance landscape and choose the right cryptocurrency for different situations with the help of real-world examples that show you how to maximize your cryptocurrency wallet. Understand how the cryptocurrency market works. Find best practices for choosing the right cryptocurrency. Explore new financial opportunities. Choose the right platforms to make the best investments. This book explores the hot topics and market-moving events affecting cryptocurrency prices and shows you how to develop the smartest investment strategies based on your unique risk tolerance. The second book on this list is the Everything Guide to Investing in Cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin to Ripple, the safe and secure way to buy, trade, and mine digital currencies. Maximize your money while avoiding the potential pitfalls of investing in cryptocurrency. This handy guide shows you how to get in from the bottom up in this hot new market. Cryptocurrency, a digital asset that uses cryptography to secure all of its transactions, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit, is moving into the mainstream, receiving coverage from major financial websites such as Forbes and Bloomberg, as well as increased attention from serious financial institutions, and experiencing wider availability in trusted markets, such as the world's largest futures exchange, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. As the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to fluctuate and news stories of cryptocurrency hackers increase, investors have to be more conscious of the huge opportunities and large risks in this market. Understanding these risks and rewards of cryptocurrency is vital for everyone wanting to make money on this exciting new form of investing. The Everything Guide to Investing in Cryptocurrency is an authoritative and comprehensive guide to help you safely jump into the lucrative world of e-commerce. You'll learn the different major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Where to buy and sell cryptocurrencies safely and securely. Setting up and managing your cryptocurrency wallet. Properly analyzing their investments. Leap into cryptocurrencies with a full understanding of what you're investing in. With the help of the Everything Guide to Investing in Cryptocurrencies, you'll maximize your gains and minimize your risks in this radical new frontier. This next book made the list for those of you who already know a little about cryptocurrency trading but want to learn more. Or maybe even learn some secrets of the trade. The third book on this list is Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Trading for Beginners, the ultimate guide on how to invest and trade in crypto. Learn how to make money with Bitcoin and altcoins, even if you're a total beginner. This is actually a box set. This 2-in-1 box set includes 1. Bitcoin Trading for Beginners and 2. Cryptocurrency Trading for Beginners. This book was written for both beginners and experienced traders who wish to learn something new. It is straightforward and easy to comprehend, and it also contains examples that can help you understand concepts better. Anyway, if you have decided that you want to be a cryptocurrency trader, then congratulations. You are on the right path. This book will guide you through everything you need. Here, you will learn about the following: the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency trading. The history of cryptocurrency. How to trade on the cryptocurrency market. The pros and cons of cryptocurrency trading. The different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin mining. The present and future of cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology. Proper storage, tracking, and selling of cryptocurrencies. Asset allocation. Cryptocurrency trading strategies as well as common mistakes. The risk to reward ratio. The best software programs or bots as well as exchanges for cryptocurrency trading. This completes our first list of 3 must-read books on cryptocurrency trading. This list could easily have 100 books included. We didn't necessarily choose the top 3 books. We chose 3 books to cover material for the beginner, intermediate, and experienced cryptocurrency investors. Again, the links to these books and other goodies are located below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Take care, my friends.
If you're still here, thanks for making it this far in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell, as it will help out this channel a lot. Check out one or both of the videos listed here on this page. And as always, learn more, hustle on, and power through. Thank you, and see you all in just a few minutes.